Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power at the breaker. This prevents shocks and protects electronics. Once done, position a stable ladder under the vent light and put on safety glasses and gloves. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb, matching wattage and base, because mismatched bulbs can overheat or fail. Now, reach the vent housing, pry off the grill or unscrew retaining clips with a flathead. Work slowly to avoid bending the housing, and set screws and grill aside so nothing falls. Once the grill is away, support the lamp assembly with one hand so the fixture doesn't drop. Then, locate how the bulb is mounted. Some twist out, others pull straight down. Apply steady motion, don't yank. As you remove the old bulb, observe the socket for discoloration or loose wires. That tells you whether the fixture needs repair. If the socket looks damaged, stop and plan a repair. Otherwise, clear dust with a dry brush and wipe the housing, so the new bulb seats cleanly and securely. You now install the replacement bulb by aligning the base and twisting or pushing it into the socket until snug. Do not over-tighten. Replace the grill or fasten clips, then climb down and restore power at the breaker. Test the light. If it comes on steady, monitor for 1 to 2 minutes to confirm no flicker or unusual sounds. If you see flickering, make sure the bulb is fully seated and the breaker is secure. If problems persist, consider swapping a known good bulb or consult an electrician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.